Say the Lord's Prayer together after the sister sung it so beautifully. Right? I repeat after me in the Hebrew tongue. Abnawa, Shabashamayim, Kadash, Ayah, Shunka, Yahweh, Malakwaka, Taba'ah, Aratazaka, Ayah, Aisha, Barataza, Kabal, Ayah, Bashamayim, Yatalanawa, Lacham, Ko, Yawam, Basalaknawa, Kabawafinawa, Kasalaknawa, Kabawafinawa, Balaa, Tabiyainawa, Banasayawan, Abo, Abishainawa, Man, Ra, Kaya, Laka, Amalakwa, Ba'ala, Batapara, Laibalamyum, English translation, Our Father Yahweh which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory. By Hashem Mashiach Yahweh, the Father, the God, I belong. Amen. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Shema.
Shema.
Yashai. Yahweh. Allah Hayah. Yahweh. Achad. Shema. Yashai. Yahweh. Allah Hayah. Yahweh, Achad, Shema, Yashai, Yahweh, Allah Hayah, Yahweh, Achad, Shema. Hear, O Israel, Yahweh, power, Yahweh is one. Shema Mashiach, Yashai, from Yashai, Amen. That was the Lord's Prayer and the Shema's, Matthew 6, 9 through 13, Deuteronomy 6, verse 4. Hallelujah.
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 And praise to Yahweh, Shema Mashiach.
All praises.
Before we get started, Ephraim McGunn and Danyaahla, I got a question for y'all. Who's got nuts? Who got nuts? Who got nuts? For how long? For how long? For how long? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? When? How?
Shalom, Israel. It's your brother, Priest Danyaahla. First of all, I want to shout out my brother Yashai and the entire I Am Israel camp in Cleveland, Ohio for a fantastic weekend. The Truth Explosion was a major success, and I look forward to doing more events like that all over the country. If y'all don't know, the event was a major success. The brother did a great job in the whole entire camp, so shout out to them. All right. If you're interested in seeing the PowerPoint lecture that Brother Zabach did, you got to reach out to him, all right, because that's his PowerPoint, so I'm not going to just put it out there like that. Reach out to Brother Zabach. You can reach out to him on Facebook as Zabach Kanai, Zabach Kanai, Kani, on Facebook. You can also reach out to him on Instagram and ask him about the process of getting a hold of that PowerPoint, where you can find it, and he'll get back to you. I'm going to respect the brother and allow him to do what he'd like to do with that PowerPoint, all right? On an unrelated note, but nonetheless, you know me, I'm going to speak my speech. Shout out to Umar Johnson. I have to say a few words to Brother Garfield again and Jabari. Garfield, I'm going to start with you. I don't understand, I don't know, I've never seen in all my life, with all the debates that have gone on over the last 4, 5, 6, 7 years, I've never seen where it is that someone does a video and speaks about someone else every single day. To me, it borderlines on insanity. I've never seen that. People have had differences of opinion, differences of doctrine, had debates, and nobody before you has done a video where they talk about somebody every single day. It borderlines on insanity. But you do you, bro. You trying to prove a point. See, when I did my response to Shaka, I did my response and that was it. When I responded to Polite, I did my response and that was it. I'm not trying to prove nothing to nobody. Either you get it or you don't get it. I'm not trying to drill nothing in nobody's head. The mere fact that you do a video and address me every day says to me, I'm just talking about myself, that you're not that comfortable with what you presented. I don't give a damn how many people is patting you on the back. You're not that comfortable. You're not that comfortable. That's why you got to kind of try to drill it in people's head. No different than a Christian reverend. But I got you, bro. Whether it's tomorrow or a month from now, I told you in that conversation that me, you, and Senator had, I'm in no rush to respond to you. Yes, I did my event, but I'm in no rush to put it out. I put it out when I feel like it, whether it's tomorrow or a month from now. Just understand, When it comes, it's going to hit you in the head like a ton of bricks. Period. Understand that. But I'm waiting for effect. I want you to keep talking. Just understand, when you said a man admiring another man's parts was homosexual, don't change it now, buddy. You said that. You on record. You're going to look stupid when I show you that that's not what it's talking about. I gave you a chance to take it back, and you did. You better research it down. You can even try to take it back now. It's an idiom. You dig back. It's an idiom. Look that up. Look it up at the time. You're going to see it. But you already said it. You can't take it back now. You said it was a homosexual reference. You're going to look stupid. Period. You can't take it back. Remember you said that those images you showed of Charles II was part of his reclamation of art project where he's going around and collecting all the art? Remember you said that? I'm going to hold you to that too, because I did some research and you lied about that. Those images, those paintings of Charles II were not part of the reclamation project. But I'm going to show you better than I'm going to tell you. You're going to have to hold that L2. Period. Just letting you know. When it comes for you, it's going to come like a ton of bricks on your head whenever it comes. And I'm not in a rush. I don't give a damn. You trying to rush me? Sonetta trying to rush me? No. When it comes, you going to get it. Jabari, let's be real. You lost that debate to Zion Lex. I don't know what brothers is gassing you up, telling you how well you did. You lost that debate to Zion Lex. I can give you 3 reasons. Number 1, when you have other comedic science teachers that speak Medu Neter in the building telling you that Zion Lex did a good job in translating the Medu Neter, and you trying to ignore that, that's a bad sign for you, buddy. That's a bad sign. They was agreeing with him in his translation and not you. That's a sign that you lost. Don't let Sonetta gas you up. You lost that debate. Secondly, when y'all were talking about that incense burner, that discussion, you lost that part of the discussion as well. Not to mention, round 1 of your debate, you weren't even on topic. And I'm saying that with all due respect because you show me a lot of respect. You did a video recently. You were supposed to be addressing the Aboriginals. How I come up in the debate, I don't know. Now, you gave me props. You spoke highly of me. But then in the very next breath, you said you coming for me, right? You already took an L to Zion Lex. Don't let people gas you up. I just uploaded a video where Hashar debunked you about Athanasius. That's 2 L's. That's 2. I want you to watch whenever it is that I put my video out dealing with your friend Garfield. I want you to watch the way I deal with him and how I use his own words against him. And I want you to ask yourself, do you really want that problem? Just ask yourself. That's all I have to say. With that, Israel, I say, shalom.